guys, Rob Caputo here, and today we're doing a little experiment. I had talked to Griffin Burke from drivelab, the company drivelab, and if you haven't heard of it, I'm going to put the link down below. You got to kind of check it out. They have some really cool system, which is basically a 3-step system to wash your car efficiently, quickly. It starts off with hot lap, rinse it off after a couple minutes of dwell time, and then you're going to wipe it down with a one wiper. And that's what we're going to be testing today, right? So one wiper is kind of like hybrid. It's kind of like a rinseless wash. It's a detailer all combined into one, right? It's a little bit on the acidic side, so it removes any like spotting that you might have, water spots and stuff like that. So it's actually a really good product. It smells really good. And today what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to check to see how much of this you use when you wash your car, right? After you use their hot lap. And they tell you in the instructions, you know, in order to do the wash system, you have to use their hot lap first, then you use this, and then you're good to go. You basically want to use his hot lap, which is an excellent soap, by the way. I've used it. I'm going to order some more. But yeah, it's a very good product, made in the USA. It's out in California, and he's kind of like tweaking all his formulas. So you're going to be seeing, by the end of this year, you're going to be seeing some new products coming out. You're going to be seeing a lot of new stuff coming out from his company. So I'm really excited to see what comes from drivelab in the next few months. So their website is drivelabcarcare.com. Check it out. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed, right? And just buy the entire kit, right? Buy the hot lap soap, the one wiper, second step, and then third is basically your tire dressing. And that's all you need, right? So it's really kind of born on the roads of the racetracks of California and auto enthusiasts that are out there with high-level cars. They track it, and they basically want to wash their cars very quickly and then get back out there and track it again. So, and even if you're not tracking your car, this is a great way to wash your car, no question about it. But again, what I'm doing today is I'm going to be taking the one wiper, and I'm going to just discover how much one wiper I'm using when I wash down a car with it. Okay, now I'm going to use my car, right? My car is clean. It just has a little bit of dust on there. Because all we're doing is we're trying to discover how much volume of one wiper we're using after we're done cleaning a car. So what I did is I simply marked the bottle, right? Showing you exactly where the liquid is. And then after I go through this entire car, I'm going to basically use his towels, right? And I believe he's got new towels now too that are green, but I believe the GSM and everything are identical. He just changed the color to kind of match the one wiper and stuff. So, and then I'm going to finish it off with my Griots towels, right? Because I like these. They're very plush. They're really easy on the paint. So that's the steps that I'm going to take. So let's get right to it. I'm going to set up the camera so you can see that I'm going to go through the entire car. I'll fast forward that part of it, and then we'll go to conclusions, right? We'll take a look and we'll see how much product we actually used. I'm thinking we're not going to use much because I've actually had this bottle for quite some time. But he's kind of toying with the idea of maybe going to a 32-ounce bottle. You know, listen, if you use the product a lot, yeah, a 32-ounce bottle would be handy. But for the amount of times that I use it, you know, it's 16 ounces is plenty. So let's get right to it. Let me turn the camera around. You can watch me kind of wash my car off or rinse it off with the one wiper, and then we'll find out exactly how much material we used. back. How much did I use? I just basically rinsed down the entire car using one wiper. I used the 16-ounce bottle. I marked it before I started using it. Let's mark it again. Let's find out how much we used. So we started here. Rinse down the entire car with this, basically rinseless, waterless wash, whatever you want to call it. This is your contact wash, basically, right? So if the car is clean, you're using this as a detail spray. If it's not clean, after the hot lap, you're going to wipe it down with this. But you're basically seeing how much I used. And let's calculate how much we used. All right, so basically what I did is I don't have a laboratory to figure this out. Basically what I did is I took the distance between those two lines and then I just created another line below it, and then I dumped that into a measuring cup, and we calculated that it would be 2 ounces. So that means you can do 8 car washes with one of these bottles, which is not bad at all. Now, if you do it very often, it would be helpful maybe if we had a 32-ounce bottle, or maybe, you know, you can get a larger bottle and refill this, or get it in concentrate. I don't know, one of those options. But in essence, you can do 8 cars with one of these bottles, which is not bad at all. So if you're using, you know, 3 ounces for 120 ounces, or 3 ounces for every 16 ounces of hot lap, you're at 5.5, 5.3 washes. And then you have 8 washes coming out of this, or maybe a little bit less, right? So you're in the right ballpark. You know, the ratio between hot lap and one wiper is pretty decent. So, you know, I'm kind of doing this for Griffin because he wanted to kind of get a feel for how much I use in terms of like the one wiper on my car, and this is kind of where I'm at. I'm at about the 2 to 3 ounce range, you know, depending on how severe the soiling is, depending on how much I want to use. But I did this entire car, and you could tell, and I'll show you the rags. It was dusty. It was dirty. I believe I showed it to you while I was doing it. But yeah, you could see the dirt, and I was flipping it over as I was going. So yeah, it was dirty. There was pollen on here and all that kind of stuff. And it sits in the garage. So, you know, I mean, even clean cars get dirty. So yeah, so that's basically it. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you guys try drivelab's one wiper and hot lap and tell me what you think, you know, try it out. Tell me how many cars you think you can get, you know, or how many ounces that you use when you use one wiper. I'm curious to hear what you find out. Comment down below, you know, share your suggestions. I'm curious to find out if you use the same amount that I use, right? So about 2 ounces, maybe a little bit more, you know, kind of ranging up to 2 to 3 ounces, depending on how much how dirty the car is, you know. So anyway, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.